After lots of trial and error, I have finally figured out the best, fastest, and easiest way to clean your coated garage floor. Whether it's epoxy or polyurea, or maybe you just painted your garage floor, this works the best way possible. I went on Facebook Marketplace and I bought a used steam cleaner. This one right here, this is the Hoover Spin Scrub. And at first, I didn't think that it was going to suck up a lot of water on the garage floor because it's really made for carpet, but it works perfect. So I want to show you what this actually looks like on the bottom. You can see all those scrub brushes. Those scrub your garage floor really well. This is the tank that's going to suck up all the dirty water. This is the clean tank that's going to hold your hot water and soap. So you don't need squeegees, you don't need buckets, you don't need mops. This is all you need. Now, wherever you buy your used stuff, whether it's Craigslist, eBay, Marketplace, pick this up for 75 bucks. It's designated for the garage. I use it for the garage, boat, car, whatever I need to out here. It doesn't go in the house to clean the carpet in the house. Now I still only use Simple Green. I don't use any other cleaner on my garage floor. I don't recommend anything else, and the installers who did my floor also said don't use anything other than Simple Green, and it works great. So let's get started and I'll show you how this works. You just pop off the clean water tank. We're going to fill this up with hot tap water, about 3/4 of the way full, and then add your Simple Green. Don't add the Simple Green first or it likes to suds up. Once you have your solution back in your machine, you're basically just running it like a vacuum cleaner in your garage. This one, you pull the trigger to spray the solution down, let go of the trigger, and then it just sucks it right back up. So that's what's worked the best for me out of all the different trial and errors that I've done. The Hoover Spin Scrub. When I saw this one for sale, the 5 brushes on the bottom was what really sold me. Like I said, it's just designated for the garage. The thing works perfect. I usually have to fill this up twice to do my garage. My garage is about 480 square feet. So you can kind of determine how much solution you're going to need for your garage. But I'm done in 25 minutes and it's super simple. Hope this was informational, and thanks for watching.